Can we change the video playback speed in Photos app on iPhone? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll find out if we can change the video playback speed in Photos app in your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is let's head over to our Photos app. Then simply open up a video that we want to change the playback speed of. So let's say this is the video that I want to make faster or slower. So if that's the case, here, if I head over to the three dots on the top right, there is no such option. So let's just head directly over to the settings. I mean editing. So after you're on the editing section of this video, there you can see the video option where you can change the sound or mute the sound from the top left. And there is three dots on the top right as well. If you tap on it, there you'll find system appearance and stuff, but nothing related to your playback speed. So if you head over to your adjustments as well, all you can find are few edits that you can do on its colors and stuff. So there is no option for playback there as well. There won't be any on your filters, and cropping does not include video playback. So there is no actual option that can change video playback speed in your Photos app on your iPhone. And I hope this answers your question, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.